Morning children. In this session we are going to study about some turns: half turn, quarter turn and 3/4 etc. turns. Under the chapter Does it look the same? Last session we study about some types of angles. So 90 degree is a right angle and 180 degree is a right angle. Above 180 and below 360 is the reflex angle. In our previous chapter we discussed about some types of angles and take practice also for draw the types of angles. From that we have to learn some turns in this chapter. So listen carefully children. One more time I explain about it. This is 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. So 90 is a right angle, 180 is a right angle and 270 and below 360 is a reflex. Above 180 and below 360 is a nothing but the reflex angle. Is it clear children?
Observe the bicycle wheel carefully. Does it appear different at any point of time while turning? You will agree that it doesn't appear different after any number of turns. Let us see if the same can be said of the star shape. Now observe this picture frame. Upon performing a quarter turn, it doesn't appear the same. Again, it doesn't appear.
Listen children. This is our 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. In the circle wheel, there is no change after so many rotation. But see here, after one rotation, this 90 degree has come to 180 degree. So this home change is safe. So this is not same. Listen children. Now I keep the ruler on the 90 degree. Now I give one rotation. Then it change that position on 180 degree. So one rotation has completed. Next, I give the next rotation so that scale come to the degree 270. Next, I give the third rotation. It comes into the 360 degree. This like they given the same rotation on the before the home picture. That time the home has doesn't change any change in their previous picture, means that is same, but it has changed something, means it has some changes in his picture, in its picture. Children listen. In this wheel, rotate means how many times it has rotate. It doesn't change his position, doesn't change his figure. The same only we can see. Children, the same will be follow in this star figure also children. We have to give many turns, but we doesn't see any different in its position. It will be same after so many rotation, so many turns. Now you come to the point, you listen.
It doesn't appear the same upon performing a half turn. What about this shape? Well, this too seems different after performing a...
Children, this handle on 90 degree, now after the one rotation it comes into the 180 degree. So what happened? It has changed its position, you know.
A quarter turn as well as a half turn.
Children, this is called quarter turn. From 90 degree to 180 degree, it is called quarter turn. Then, now you listen, children.
So, we can conclude that some shapes look the same even after performing any number of turns. While
So some shapes after so many returns, it has the same position only. For example, this wheel and the star. Then some figures, it has changed their position even one half rotation, quarter rotation, everything. So for example, the photo frame and rectangular handbag. Is it clear? Some shapes looks the same even upon performing any number of turns on the while some shapes change with each turn.
some shapes change with each turn. Click Next to continue.
So children, these two shapes don't change anything after so many rotation, but this comb and the rectangular handbag don't look the same after the half rotation and quarter rotation, everything. Can you understand?
Let us observe how they appear after half turn, quarter turn, 1/3 turn and a 1/6 turn. Select a shape and click each button to turn the shape accordingly. Click Reset to set the shape to its original position.
Children, now we are going to study about the half turn, quarter turn, 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn for the given object. First I select this one. What happened, you see, given the turn, half turn. So it has come. Children, half turn is nothing but 180 degree. From 0 to this one 90, children, 90 degree. That is the quarter turn. Then half turn means from 90 degree to 180 degree. Then what this is our quarter turn. That means from 0 to 90 degree is nothing but quarter turn. Before what we see? The half turn. The half turn means 0 to 180 degree. That we discussed already. Children, listen next. 1/3 turn. Listen, 1/3 is nothing but 120 degree, children. I will explain. Listen, children. This is our 360 degree, children. Totally, we have 360 degree. But we need 1/3 turn. So, I divided or I multiply by 1/3. So, I divide by 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. Then we have 0. So, I put 0. Now, I get 120 degree. So, 1/3 turn is nothing but 120 degree. After that wheel has come, 1/3 turn means it has reached this position. Is it clear? Children, now I give 1/6 turn. So our 1/6 turn is nothing but, so listen children, I multiply 360 degree by 1/6. So I cut by 6 table. 1/6 is 6. 3, 6 are 36. And remaining we have 0. I put the 0 here. So I get 60 degree. So that means from 0 to 60 degree is nothing but 1/6 turn. The same rotation we have to see in the next figure children. Listen carefully. Children, I select the second figure and I give the half turn. Yes, after the half turn it has come into the 180 degree. It doesn't have any change, is the same position only. Next I will give quarter turn. Now also it has, don't change its position. The quarter turn is nothing but 90 degree. Children, now I give 1/3 turn. Yes, after the 1/3 it has come into where 120 degree. So now it has some changes, the point has come this side. Here also the point has changed. Children, now I give 1/6 turn. Yes, 1/6 turn is nothing but 60 degree. Already I explained this. I give enough explain about the 60 degree as well as 120 degree children. That calculation also you should write in your maths classwork note. That is very useful for you. Children, let us go through the next figure children. Yes, I select the next figure and give half turn. So half turn means what children? As nothing but 180 degree. Is it has any change? So after the half turn, it doesn't have any change in its position. Children, now I give quarter turn. Is it have any change? Yes, it have some changes in its position. Children, now I give 1/3 turn. So now also it has some change in its position. Next I give 1/6 turn. So now it has some change in its position. So it look like the 1/6 and quarter turn has some little bit change only children. Is it clear? This like you want to do your book exercise children. I mentioned the book exercise book page number now. You should do and take snap and send to me for the correction children. So in this session you learn about the turn, half turn, quarter turn, 1/3 and 1/6 turn children. I hope you all learned well. You should take practice well children. Thank you children.